Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "On the night of heavenly journey, I met Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam." The reporter says that he thinks he sallallahu alaihi wasallam described him as he is slim-figured, tall, with straight hair as though he were one of the men of Shanua tribe. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I also met Hazrat Isa alayhi salam." Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, describing his appearance, said he was a man of medium stature, reddish fair complexion, and was fresh as though he had just come out of a hot bath. And then I saw Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, to whom I am the one amongst his descendants who bears the closest resemblance. Thereafter 2 utensils were brought to me, one containing milk and the other wine. I was told, "Take whichever you like." I took the milk and drank it. So I was told, "You have opted the ancient natural habit. If you had taken the wine, your ummah would have gone astray." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3437.